So I give up trying to set up a tripod, so we're just doing it this way. Yeah, I'm gonna do a sketchbook tour. This is the first sketchbook I've ever completed in my life, which is crazy to say I'm a tattoo artist.
If anyone I know sees this, I'm so sorry. I'm so awkward. This is so embarrassing.
I'm filming this again. Oh shit, I need my sketchbook. I've filmed this intro so many times. I am so awkward and I can't get over it. I can't post that on the internet. Let's try again. I'm literally talking to myself and I don't do that. I know I look like I might do that, but I don't talk to myself. I just wanted to show my face because I've not done a YouTube video here for years, and yeah, please excuse my very damaged fried hair because I just wrecked it the other day. So thank you to Shrine Colour Remover. Shout out to you guys for wrecking my hair. Let's go. Okay, I was going to film this with a tripod, but my tripod won't angle correctly, so I apologise if it's a bit shaky. I'm going to sort this out for the next videos, but I'm so sick of this video not being finished, so I'm just going to show you, so apologies. So yeah, here's my sketchbook, here's some stickers. This is by Miss Moth Tattoo. These are skateboard brand ones from Girl Skateboards. Dark Arts Coffee, Bones Cult. I'm not really sure about the other ones really. These were given to me by a customer. That's a Rachel Baldwin one. This is from my friend, and this is my own sticker that I had made years ago. I started this in November 2022. I didn't say when I finished it, but it was literally like a few months ago. I'm sure it will say at the end of the sketchbook. Yeah, I'm just covering my address. So the first page is, you can see I ripped some pages out because I use this as a like a college sketchbook, and I just found it and ripped the few pages I used out. So yeah, I just drew some cursed cat memes. I like the nun one, just to get me started in the sketchbook. I know there's a lot of pressure to start a sketchbook, because I already ripped some pages out, I wasn't afraid to just scribble. And yeah, so that's what I did. That one is horrific, but you know what? I don't care. Okay, the next page is some naked drawings, so I'm just going to blur them. I'm going to cover them. Next page are some sketches of, here's my cat, Lily, and that's my friend's dog, Pepsi, and then Miku is my other friend's cat. I think the other two cats are just from the internet. I follow like a cat spotting page, so if that's your cat's very cute. This is probably my favourite page in the book. I wasn't confident drawing birds, or so I thought, so I just decided to push myself and do a page of birds, and I really like how all of them turned out pretty much. I love the effect of a coloured pencil. They're the Faber-Castell like erasable coloured pencils, and they're my favourite to sketch. It just turned out so cool. I hate this page, but we move. So yeah, I was just experimenting with some gouache colours to see what they look like. These are done in pen, and they just didn't turn out very well, so I just tried to make the page look a bit better, which it doesn't, but oh well, that's what a sketchbook's for. The next page, again, I don't like it, but it was just kind of a concept. I just whacked some gouache on there to see how much the sketchbook could hold, because I wasn't sure, and it held pretty well. It isn't a watercolour sketchbook, so yeah, it did pretty good. I'd like to do an actual real version of this. Okay, the next one, yeah, I like to put little notes. It's like a diary really. So I drew a quick portrait of myself. I drew a snake, and this is actually some shed skin from my snake who I used to have. I don't have her anymore, unfortunately. And I was really going through a hard time, to say the least, so a lot of the stuff is quite deep and emo, but yeah, I was really going through it, so ignore the emo-ness, but depression was real. These are just some kind of tattoo flash-ish kind of, just more emo stuff. I feel like I need to make them into some tattoo flash. Here I was practicing clown collars because I find them really difficult to draw for some reason. I still like was struggling. I still struggle with them, but I like how it turned out. And these were just some doodles. I was just drawing whatever came to mind. So we have an eye and lip theme going on. Don't know why there's a random rose. This is horrific, but someone wanted a goldfish tattoo, I think, so I was just sketching some weird goldfish ideas. I like this guy, he's funny. And then a random Daruma, I think they're called. These are just some flash ideas for Valentine's Day. Now I look back on it, I realise that the chocolate is in the completely wrong place, which is why it doesn't make sense. But yeah, I did some little rats for Valentine's Day. It's just a sketch of my friend. More Valentine's Day sketches. Another Valentine's Day idea, which became a flash piece. And yeah, I tattooed that one not that long ago. Some little clown animals. Again, with my sketchbook, it is kind of just rough sketches, so they're not anything like amazing, but I like how this guy turned out. And I tattooed a piece similar to him. This was me trying to draw fruit from memory really fast with a pen, and I completely forgot what watermelon looked like, so I had to Google, and then I had to add like an extra line. It was so strange. Yeah, I guess they're okay. I'm not really a brush pen girly. I don't really like them. I tried the brush pen here. I did this chrysanthemum, is that how you say it? And then because that didn't I do before you like meme was going around, I added the little eyes because they kind of reminded me of that dog. It's not even that funny. This is when I try and draw a cat from memory without picture. So yeah, not doing that again. This was from a meme. I don't know, it was some child screaming. Just don't ask. This page is awful. Again, these pages are horrific too, in my opinion. I know I'm probably hard on myself, but they're just, yeah. I tried to just fill as much as I can and just get anything down. This was an idea for a Cave Town piece. Cave Town Juliet was a song that I was listening to all the time because I was really going through it. And I want to do a painting, something like me with corks in my eyes. I don't know. These are absolutely ridiculous. The strawberry's okay. And I was at the skate park drawing. I drew this and I hurt my elbow clearly. And then I wanted to draw some cats skateboarding, and I just couldn't figure out how to do it, even in a cartoony way. I just couldn't figure out the anatomy. So ignore that. Here I was trying to come up with a logo or stickers for my tattoo business, I guess. None of them have happened. And here I was drawing some cats. I like this one. It's based off my cat Lucifer. I'll probably have to blur these, but I don't know. This is my favourite page too. I really like how they turned out with the coloured pencil, especially these two. Hopefully YouTube don't ban me. This was my first time drawing feet, and they actually turned out really cool in my opinion. I was really proud of these. I still am. I've not drawn feet since then, but yeah, they were my first, I think literally my first time drawing feet. I really like this one. I just was looking at my own feet and just drew them. Here I just drew some pictures. I think someone I know sent me a picture of their cat for that. This is my friend's cat who sadly passed away not that long ago. Rest in peace, baby Cleo. She was so cute. And this is my friend Adam as a bee fairy. What? Yeah. I think it kind of looks like him. He'll probably say it doesn't, but I think it's cute. I was at a park just drawing a piece of wood that I saw. Don't know what that is. And yeah, I just pulled up random Pinterest images. That was a tree that was at the park and a daisy that was there. Again, I was going through it. I was really struggling. And I just went to the park a lot and just sat and cried and drew things. I don't know. This was for a customer. They wanted a duck, you know, like Nottingham, we say, hey up me duck. They wanted a duck. So I was just sketching some ideas. That's one of my ferrets sleeping. I don't have them anymore, they're with my ex, but yeah, I drew this little picture of him and his cat. That's his cat he got. Yeah, these cats look horrific. This is what happens when I draw them without reference. They look really human. This is just a picture of Pinterest that I drew. Kind of looks cool. The proportions are a bit off, but my cat is about to block my light. God's sake. These are just some flash little flowers for sale. If anyone wants them tattooed, let me know. This is what life is like with cats. They have to be a part of everything. This painting, yep, Lily's showing. Do you mind? Can you move, please? Thank you. God's sake. Okay, this painting was done with my new acrylic gouache I got. I think they're called... I don't even know what the brand is, I forgot. They're that Japanese brand. So I tried painting this, it was just done with primary colours. It looked awful when I was starting off and I just had to trust the process. And it turned out quite cool. It's Jessica Chastain, I think her name is. She's beautiful, I like her. And these were done with primary colours too, I think. Yeah, I really like how these turned out. I like this page. And I was trying to take some notes. This is another messy page, just concepts for paintings that I'm never gonna do. And here too, sketches for the painting. And then little sketches of my dog, but she kept moving. Here I was testing out my new gouache too. So they're the colours I got. I really like these ones. So I did a little painting just to try and use the colours. I really don't like this, so, but whatever, the colours are cool. This was another tattoo design a customer wanted that I was just sketching. And yeah, Lily got spayed that day and there was a cute rabbit, so I drew some rabbits. This is Lily when she got spayed. She shouldn't have been up on the shelves, but she kept jumping up. And she was sleeping on the shelf, so I decided to draw her. I like how that looks though, it's really cute. I mean, it explains what was happening, but there was a pride event at the skate park and I got my friends to draw little things for me. I drew this, it was like a t-shirt design. I put it on a t-shirt and yeah, it's so cute. This, yeah, I'm not explaining that. He's amazing. I was in a coffee shop just doodling some animals with my new pens. I did this painting based on my brother, a picture of my brother when I was sat at the coffee shop. I took a picture of my brother. I really love this. I kind of want to make a print of this. I'm not very imaginative, so this was like a big thing for me that I came up with this, and I think it's really cool. And I was using my new gouache. Oh my god, the cat's blocking it again. Oh yeah, I really love this painting. This was just trying my new pens, just trying to fill pages really and having fun and like being loose with it. Here I was at the skate park and it was really hot that day, so I kept hiding in the shade and just drew some random things, especially this. If you know this meme, then I love you. Yeah, if you get this far in the video, comment "that joker." So this was my attempt at drawing Ken. I was not having a good art day. Kenergy isn't happening clearly. So yeah, Ryan Gosling, I'm so sorry. Drew a female body. Just hiding my little note I put here because it's kind of personal. Here. Here's a gouache painting of a squirrel that me and my girlfriend, we had our second date and we went to the Arboretum and there was squirrels and we fed one of them a strawberry. So I painted him and there was so many pretty flowers. She was the prettiest flower though. Sorry to be cringe. But yeah, I painted the flower we saw. More gay stuff. This is just like a Pinterest thing.
So I got some Copic markers that are like pastel coloured, and I just attempted to draw something with them. Kind of weird colours again here. But it looks kind of cool. That was a tattoo design sketch that I did. My girlfriend drew this, just cute little clown skull. Drew some more flowers in pencil. I really like drawing in, yeah, either mechanical pencil or the coloured Faber-Castell pencils. Some kitties. I can't really draw anatomy, but I'm really happy with how these turned out. So you could just see, I feel like well, me personally, I can see the improvement in my drawings. Some random pen sketches, and I met Ashniko that day. It was a signing, which is really cool. Some flowers. More flowers. It's available to be tattooed if you want. Another bird. I really liked this page until I got paint all over it. It's so annoying. But I drew some sea life in coloured pencil. I like this. And my girlfriend, I think my girlfriend drew these. Again, I was just trying the markers I had. That's my cat. They're kind of hard to use. I don't know what I'll use them for. Oh, missed a piece. Another painting. That's just a church. And me dressed as a nun for Halloween. Female anatomy practice. I think it's pretty cool. I'm not confident in anatomy in general. This was a drawing for a painting I did. It's actually here. So yeah. That's awful. I hate this drawing. I just sketched it really fast. It's actually awful. I drew my fireplace at my house. This was for a design, a tattoo that I was doing, and I watched the new Scream. I was drawing some clowns, and I drew my girlfriend. For my birthday I had a clown themed Halloween. For my birthday I had a clown theme party. And yeah, my girlfriend was cute as a clown. And that's us kissing. The proportions are kind of weird though. Me as a clown on my birthday. And some isopods. I really like this page, so I drew Hosier quickly in a coffee shop, and I drew the sun and the moon. I like the gold. Some more pencil sketches. I don't really like these, but I just wanted to keep drawing when I could. This was just me trying to fill a page, but I have this pink, not Copic marker, what are they called? I had a pink marker, basically, a paint marker, and I was just trying to do something more graphic. So I normally like do really detailed things. Yeah, here I just drew some blackberries with ballpoint pen. I really like the effect of ballpoint pen, so I started using it, as you can see. I really like this page too, or pages. Ballpoint pen just looks so cool. I really want to get better at, you know, like doing clean drawings. These are so cute. Yeah, that's it for my sketchbook. When did I finish it? I didn't put a date. Around, I think November 2023. So it took me like a year to finish this, which is a big deal for me. Sorry that the lighting was ass. I'm gonna improve. The other video I did, I filmed it with my tripod looking down on my old phone, so I don't know why this one, my tripod's not working today. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. Tried to keep it short as I can, but explain a little bit. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you want, and follow my tattoo and follow my Instagram. It's down in the description. Thank you for watching.